It's time for the Trading Stocks Made Easy podcast. Each week, Trading Stocks Made Easy demystifies stock trading and investing so you can profit big. And now, here's the host of Trading Stocks Made Easy, the wealthy investor, Tyrone Jackson.
Welcome back. It's Tyrone Jackson, the wealthy investor. So happy to have you here on this episode of Trading Stocks Made Easy. You know, one of the things about being a stock market trader and teacher is I get to meet a lot of people, and a lot of people see their dreams come true when they start trading and investing in the stock market. Now, there are other vehicles that produce wealth and residual income: real estate, multi-level marketing, having your own business, franchises. But what I love about the stock market is you can do it from anywhere in the world, trading that is, and you can literally watch your wealth grow on a monthly basis with the stocks that you're holding for the long term. But there is one thing that I want to clue you in on, which is your desire. Whenever I start teaching someone who's new to the program, I always ask one very simple question. How much money do you want to earn trading in the stock market each month? What is your desired amount of money? What I'm surprised with most is how many people haven't picked a dollar figure on a monthly basis that would truly satisfy them. So I was doing a session yesterday with someone, and it was their very first session, and this person's very successful. I said, if we were to trade in 3 of your accounts, how much would you like to earn in each account individually? And they said, well, I'm not really sure. I get the idea that covered calls make money, but I didn't know that I could choose a target. And I said, well, what would you do with an extra $5,000 per month? Would that help you? They said, wow, $5,000, and I didn't have to physically trade time for dollars? That is correct. I said it would just be a few hours a week of you selling covered calls and making sure that you're in dividend-paying stocks. So while you're waiting to be called out, there would be another form of residual income coming your way. And they said, I don't know, but $5,000 sounds reasonable. Do you really think we could achieve that, Tyrone? I said, achieve it? Well, I'm the wealthy investor for a reason. Now, obviously, this person was trading with over $250,000, which made $5,000 in call premium, and getting called out. Pretty smooth affair. So as we set up their account and we began to move forward, we found 3 trades that would help them bring in about $3,700 from the premium. The rest of the money they would earn that month would be from being called out of the stock itself. My point is, in sharing that story, have you, even though we're at the beginning of the year, have you decided what you want from your traded account? Have you decided what you want from your life? Have you decided what good things you'd like to happen within the next 90 days? Now, here's one of the biggest secrets to wealth that no one would ever tell you. When you make the choice and you decide what it is that you want, great things are going to happen for you. A lot of people say, I want to make a lot of money and be rich, but they don't know how much money it would require for them to fulfill that dream. Well, if you haven't decided in your mind specifically what dollar terms would help you live your dreams and feel a certain level of comfort, it makes it harder for the universe to bring it to you. So I love when people say, man, if I didn't have any more financial problems, that would be great. That usually means they have some debt, student loans, cars, personal loans, and if they could just pay those loans off, they feel like they would be living their dreams. What I have found is most people who have not picked a dollar figure from an income point of view are really asking just that their debts be gone. Right? In order to be successful in your life from this point forward, you have to decide in very specific terms what it is that you want. Now, I'll give you an example in my life. Of course, a multitude of my dreams have come true, financial and otherwise, so I am in the habit of choosing my next round of goals. So I'm building another business right now as we speak, in which 22 people are helping me build that business. And of course, it's online. I'm building this business as another form of residual income, but I don't necessarily want to go to work in that business every single day. So I know that I only want to work on this other business Wednesday through Friday. And if I am working on that business on Monday and Tuesday, I want it to be from home. This is in addition to the trading, which is already a 20-year habit and a part of my life. I feel like I can add another business to that, but I also want to be able to add to this other business the ability to travel. So while I've crafted out what this business would look like, it's also a business that I can do from Maui. I can do it from other parts of Hawaii, from Fiji, from Europe, from the Caribbean. I want that business to be able to be run from anywhere, right? Okay. I've also picked a dollar amount that I want for that business to generate on a monthly and annual basis. Now, for me in my life, whenever I start a new business, the dollar amount is going to be large. Why? Because I want some of the profits that's generated from the business to go into a trading account so that I'm making money not only from the business, but also from trading on Wall Street. Why? Because I like the residual income that comes from Wall Street. Might as well repeat it 2, 3, 4, 5, even 7 times if I can. And if I can incorporate Wall Street into that next business, I have the perfect life for me and a perfect match that satisfies me. You see, you can really create anything that you want in this lifetime, as long as you've made a choice around it. Got it? Think about it. We'll be right back.
Want to increase your stock market trading profits? Then you need to start your monthly membership to WITradeschool.com right now. Don't understand how to write covered calls for monthly income? No problem. Simply review Tyrone's latest stock trades in our video library as many times as you need. WITradeschool.com is all about helping you get the financial education you need to earn money in the stock market and change your financial life. Tyrone Jackson, the wealthy investor, has helped his students earn thousands of dollars per month trading stocks online from home. These are people just like you. So what are you waiting for? Follow Tyrone Jackson's red-hot stock trades and investment strategies today. Don't wait. Start your monthly membership at WITradeschool.com right now.
Okay, so once you've decided what it is that you want, you now need a plan on how to get there. So it's not just deciding what you want. You need a methodology or a mechanism to get you there. And that's what I love about the stock market. Not only can I reach an income target or goal instead of just trading constantly, I can say I want to make $10,000, $15,000 in this other trading account. Each trading account that I have can actually have its own objective. So there are some trading accounts that I teach my students to have that are just hold accounts. You hold these stocks for 5 years. At the end of 5 years, you liquidate the account, take the profit, and decide what you want to do. I'm really teaching them financial planning while simultaneously teaching them how to invest in the stock market. But we know if we invest in the right stocks, we're going to get dividends on a quarterly basis. Well, have we made a plan for those dividends and how they'll be used in all of our accounts? You see, life success, for those of you who have an open mind, means that you get to choose an awful lot of things in your life. The more you consciously choose, the more the things that you desire become your reality. So we're still at the beginning of 2025. What is your plan for 2025? How are you going to use covered calls, dividends, and capital gains so that you are not just actively trading, but building the life that you want? And as you know, I want to be a part of that life. I'd like to guide you through that process. But you've got to get better at the mechanism, in this case, which is the stock market, to get you where you want to go. Finally, some of you are already trading, but you need to upgrade your skills to trading options, leaps options. Why? Because when we're buying and selling stocks, we are trading equities for a predictable result. Your next level, if you're an experienced trader, is learning how to use options and spreads to get you to where you want to go even faster. If you make that part of your commitment, don't be surprised by Christmas of 2025 if you've hit your goal. Master and learn as much as you can about the market and the wealthy investor approach to trading stocks. It is here to help you. You have some decisions ahead of you. Make them wisely. I'll see you next week right here on the next episode of Trading Stocks Made Easy.
You've been listening to the Trading Stocks Made Easy podcast. Be sure to rate and review our show on iTunes. While you're on iTunes, be sure to click the subscribe button and you'll automatically receive our next episode.